GBC's health journalist Teiki Ofori has won the first position for the maiden edition of the Journalist Network on African Health Awards. She was awarded with a cash prize for the story she did about the impacts of COVID-19 on the aged.
For your hospital needs.
I'm having this, but this can they have
your national health insurance.
Yes.
But it's free for persons above 87.
But if I went there, they want to challenge me, so all the time I don't go to these people.
This is the story which won GBC News' Teiki Ofori the first prize position of the African Health Journalist Awards by Farm Access Global, an organization based in the Netherlands that supports African countries and institutions with financial support to embark on health and social interventions to improve upon healthcare delivery on the continent. The country coordinator is Mr. Francis Kokuche.
Pharmacist is a foundation based in the Netherlands. They got worried at a point that African journalists were not writing on health. About 15 journalists from 6 African countries got involved with this award, and it was taken through some very strenuous selection process, and I'm pleased to announce that Sarah came top.
The award winner Teiki Ofori urged parliamentarians to pass the aged bill.
As we speak, there's supposed to be an aged bill to be passed in Parliament. That bill is over 20 years old in Parliament and is still not being passed. So I would like to use this opportunity to call on parliamentarians to work on the bill, because we are all growing older. As soon as we leave active work, we join the aged group.
Presenting the award, the Director General of GBC, Professor Amin Al-Hassan, commended her for the good work done.
Sarah has been the agent of GBC that has taken us to this level of recognition. We celebrate her, and by extension, we celebrate the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation.
The Director of Television of GBC, Ms. Akushika, described Teiki Ofori as hardworking and passionate about her niche and encouraged her to do more.
She passionately follows this dream of hers. Her heart is actually in reporting on health. So this is actually the second she has won in, I think, a week or two. Yes. So, yeah, I believe there's more to come. GBC will continue producing award winners, and as my boss has said, we'll continue to wear the badge of honor proudly, because we will continue to be the first.
The Director of Marketing at GBC, Mr. George Lomote, also applauded her for the award.
We will just take this opportunity to encourage you to do more, especially if this is your second in a week, and encourage other reporters in the newsroom to also, follow this step of yours and bring in more. GBC is number one, will continue to be number one, and at the end of the day, we'll ensure that everybody will look up to us.
Farm Access, with an initial number of 21 health journalists from the continent, is subsequently expanding the network to include other African journalists to file health stories based on its criteria.